All right, another beautiful day out here in Cooma, and we're going to try and get this Subaru running. So let's see what's involved, let's see what it needs, and we'll make a start, eh?
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Poppin', spitting hot shit. I'm dropping, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it.
Alright, so we've got the old Subaru Liberty Wagon. It's the paint's seen better days, but it's a LX, brother. I don't know what that is. Ski effects. I'm guessing that's just a ski brand. I'm guessing it's not an actual Subaru thing. All the tyres are flat. This one's shot. It's good. So, I mean, it all looks pretty well intact. Windows down a bit. It's always a bonus. It's got the old I can't drive bar on the front. So, the old negotiator. We'll try and get this girl running today. Let's have a look inside and see what the story is. I did whip a snip around this before we started, so it's a bit, how you going? Some grass in there. So, oh, look. Trendy, brother. All right, got a hat. Mix hat, I'd say. Oh, here we go. Beats, country music, golden hit parade, mate. It's what you want. Jugs and old bottles and what else is there? What's that? An old bench grinder. Bench polisher. Oh, that's still full of something. What is that? Probably don't want to know. What's that? Oh, drench. Empty bottle of oil. There's a lot of empty bottles. There's a lot of paper towel down there. And what's down here? Plastic bags, bottles, joy, seal, door seal. Trims come off the back. Oh, that door's full. Oh, couple of bullets. It's always handy to have, especially when you live in Cooma. Good old Cooma. So much to love, they say. Oh, lollies. Hey, logbook. That's what you want. Yellow pages, haven't seen them in God knows how long. Do people still use yellow pages or what? What's that? A map? Is that the local area? Snowy Mountains. Spot on, mate. Spot on. Oh, Manuel flavour. That's nice and sticky. That's what you want. All right, let's go have a look in the very back and we'll see what's going on. All right, trim's fallen off. So if we're wondering about a rattle noise in the back, that's what that is. What do we got? Some shearing, some mixed shearing gear. Put that aside. This stuff can be quite expensive, so I'll put that aside for slick Mick. More paper towel, paintbrush. Oh, what's this? Oh, some terps. Put that in the fridge. Make a refreshing drink. What do we got? Spatula. What's that? Oh, empty bottle. Empty bottle. Hey, tire iron. They're always good to have, especially these T-bar ones. Always handy. We got no tire. That's a bonus. You get less weight that way. You can always go faster, you know? Oh, that's stuck now. So, there's not a lot in this one. Oh, the jack's still in there. That's always a bonus. Hopefully I don't have to use that today. Oh, look, there's a compartment here. What's that for? Storage. Oh, the toolkit's in there. Very good. This looks like, in all honesty, none of this stuff looks like it's been touched. So, it's a mess though, isn't it? Hey, she's seen better days. Let's see if this thing's got a key. All right. What have we got? Gate lock. That's good. Mick can use that on the farm. I have to pile all that. I've got to get stuff in the back of my ute for Mick's stuff. And then, yeah. Oh, fallen over. Manuel, we got a key. Bonus. How many kilometres are on this? 489,000, mate. Can you see that? 489, 970. All right, let's have a look on it. It's got a switch, must have had a light on at some point. Let's have a look in the engine bay and we'll see what we got here. All right, well, she looks complete. Got battery, that's shot. Everything's here though. I wonder if there's been mesas nesting. I hope not. Oh, there's no radiator cap. Not good. No! Not good. That's okay. We're near the house, so we can get some water in that. See if it's full even. And we'll, yeah, let's check the oil and stuff. And we'll see if this thing's worthy of firing over. So what we'll do is we'll check the oil and we'll hook some electricity up, see if we get electricity inside. And then we will see how much fuel it's got, even if it's even got fuel. I did bring some, so we can always drop some in it. And yeah, let's have a look. All right, so we'll see how much oil's in this thing, if any. I just bumped into Mick. He was pulling out and he said it was literally parked up because he got another car. So hopefully this thing will just fire straight off. We'll see what happens. Oh, she's a bit low. It's down to the first mark, but it'll be enough to fire up off. So we'll get this going. All right, I got the dirty old ancient jump leads. I don't even know what happened to me big ones, but got that hooked up. Let's see if we've got some electricity in here, and we will go from there, eh? Oh, brake lights on. Oh, we're on. Key on. Oh, it says it's got half a tank. Hey, do we try and see if it'll fire up on this or what? Don't know. A bit nervous. Let's Oh, wind slow. She's not happy. All right, I might try and throw a second set of jump leads on, see if we can get some decent current flowing over, and we will try and turn the key again. All right, I've got 2 sets of jump leads on now, so we'll give it a crank. Cranks a little faster. Come on. Oh! Oh, she's... Oh, nah. Hey! Fired up. This is going to be a short episode. How good's that? I honestly thought this was going to be a bit of a long episode, but I mean, it seems to be running. Well, it started. Let's see if we can get this thing to idle. And then we'll try and put some air in the tyres and we'll check the charging, see if it charges and everything like that. So that white jug had water in it. So we'll tip that into it as well and see what's going on there. Get that filled. But yeah, let's see if this will start again. All right, here we go. Oh. It's winding, but it's not doing anything. Come on. Nothing. Oh, see what happens when you're optimistic? All right, let's try take 3. I just put some fuel down one of the lines, so let's see what happens here. I got a feeling there's no fuel pump, but we'll see what happens. Come on, why is it not firing? It almost ran before. Oh, oh, go. Let's try and go. Hey! Bit tappy. Run. Will it idle though? Hey, it's idling. Look at that. What a goer. Hey. tube I pulled off. Put that back on. Hey! Oh. Nice, let's check this for voltage. Well, we're coming in at 14 volts, so I'll call that a win. She's charging. I've taken everything off here, so yeah. We'll let that idle. I'll put some water in here and that, and we'll go from there. But it does smell very oily, and for some reason it smells a lot like dog piss, so I don't know what the story is there. Look at her go. There's some noise in the drivetrain. It's probably because it's just low and shit oil, but she's running. She's a goer. Bit smoky out the back. It's probably because it sat for a while. I don't know if you can see that. There's a bit of smoke coming out the arse end of it. Alright, let's see if we can get some oxygen in these wheels, and we'll go from there. We'll see if this thing will move, eh? So while the car's over there filling up with air, why don't you just get on down the below and check out the shirts. There's two so far. There's the original OG one, which has the logo on your chest and on your back, and then there's the I Love Marketplace one, which has the logo on the chest and it's got the Marketplace one on the back. And yeah, get yourself down there and get a shirt. Helps us out a bit. All the money from that goes back into these things so we can produce more content for you, and yeah, helps us out a great deal. And if you haven't, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Helps us out a lot too. So all right, let's get back into this thing. All right, so it looks like all four corners hold air, which is good. This tire's shot, like to the point it's got bead hanging out of it, but it's holding air. I've cleared behind here while the air was going up. Got tow bar. So let's see if this thing will move now. It's bloody hot in that car though. I dread the thought of getting in it again, but anyways, let's fire up and we'll see if we can get it to reverse. We'll see what this thing does, eh? She's a starter. Get them down there. Let's see how we go. She's a driver, mate, laughing. Hey? I mean, I know that's only reverse, but even the brakes work. How good is that? You can't ask for much more. Look at it, hey? What a weapon. Runs, starts, stops, you know? What more could you ask for? Maybe a paint job, but that's about it. Look at it. Yeah, buddy. Hey, what a neat bit of kit. Look at this thing. Hey, bit of paint, bit of TLC. And you're laughing, mate. So, spewing water out of it now because there's no radiator cap, but at least the water pump's going. That's a bonus. All right, that'll do this one, I think. All right, so I think that's going to do this episode. It was pretty quick, which is good because it is red hot out here. It is so hot, it's unbelievable. So, I didn't really want to do this today because it's hot, but I mean, I've got to do this sort of thing now. Consider this is my full-time job. So, all right, well, that's a runner. I'll clean it up and everything like that, and then this thing's actually going to be for sale. So if you are interested in this and everything, you can PM me in the thing, or if I should keep it, put down in the comments what you reckon. And if you've made it this far, thanks. I greatly appreciate it. If you can, hit that subscribe button. You know, helps me out. If you got a bit of money to spare, buy a shirt. I ordered one myself, so I'm just waiting for that to turn up. That's right, I don't pay any different than what you guys do. So I bought a shirt. I know a couple more fans have bought shirts and stuff like that, so they are going. But yeah, anyways, just put down in the comments what you reckon I should do with this, or sell it. We'll start doing the other projects, and yeah, that's it. All right, like I said, I'll see you guys in the next episode.